In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add an image to a gallery view in Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to add images to gallery views in Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Create a new database or choose an existing one to set up a gallery view. First, tap on the plus icon and search for Gallery View or simply type /Gallery View. Customize the database to your preferences. To add an image to your gallery view, you'll need to edit the page associated with the database. Click on the page and choose Edit or Edit Property. In the editing view, select Add Cover. You have the option to choose from the automatically generated images provided or upload your own image. You can also reposition the image by clicking Reposition and adjusting its placement within the frame. To display the added image in the gallery view, click on the three dots menu. Go to Layout and select Card Preview. Then, under Preview, choose Page Cover instead of Page Content. This step ensures that the image will appear in your gallery view. By following these steps, you'll successfully add an image to your gallery view in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tutorials and information, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com.